Hi, Clark. Clark, what is this? Is it a cookie? What is this? Cookie, you're right. You're right. What is it? Yeah, cookie. Is that a good cookie? Dada went upstairs. What is that, Clark? Cookie, you're right. Is it yummy? Can you say hi? Can you say hi, Dada? Hi, Mama. Hi. Can you blow kisses? Oh, that was sweet. Do it again. Yeah. This is one of Clark's first words. What is this? Cookie, you're right. Good job. Good talking. Love you.